Yo guys, what's going on? Down here, hello, on the bottom left of your screen. I'm sitting in the hotel room on my last night here in Miami. Okay, it's 6:45 p.m. and I'm in, and I wanted to get this update for you guys real quick so that I can fly tomorrow and know that you guys, my people, are being taken care of. So first things first, on Thursday when I was flying into Miami in the airport, I made an emergency update video stating that I was looking for longs down at these lows here. That's the wrong chart. Down at this low right over here. Okay, let's hide all the lines before we can go over this. I made this update. We were up here and I was saying if we can get a nice pullback into this box right here, I will be looking for a 10-minute market structure change in which I can open up a swing long position on. Well, my friends, that is exactly what we got when we made our way down here. We got a 10-minute structure change just as we wanted to see. And it was in that moment where I went long, and I'm going to be honest with y'all, I went long and I went to go party, and I didn't even look back. My stop was beneath this low. I'm still in my long, so congratulations to everybody that has subscribed and turned on the notification bell, because you would have got this update and you would have got it in time, because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it did happen on that day or early the following morning. So that's a reminder to hit the like button and get those notifications going. Okay, let's talk about right now, okay, because that was the past. Couple things that are notable. We're gonna hide this. Couple things right now, okay? We actually came up to retest perfectly the all-time high, which is 74-ish, whatever. We're just gonna say 74 to keep numbers easy. 74, and we just came back. We're back within the golden pocket 786 area, okay? Now, we are finding a little bit of resistance here currently. I don't think as of this very moment there's too much to worry about. You can see money flows coming up on the 2-hour time frame. We're starting to get that VWAP to curl, okay? And if you know the golden nugget strategy, which I promise I'll make a video on this week, for those who don't know or may not remember, then I mean, come on, the golden nugget strategy. That's all I gotta say. You'll find out soon enough. But things are not looking like they necessarily want to come down here, okay? I want to show you a couple of resistance levels, just like I showed you that support level on Thursday. But before I do that, I want to come onto these higher term time frames, guys. The 18-hour, thick money flow, green dots at the lows. Yes, I understand that was a couple days ago now, but that's why I was making this call, right? I was saying, hey, if we come down and test that support, I'm going to open up into swing longs. And the truth is, guys, is this thing looks like it can go much higher. Not only are we getting these green dots, but if you've been around the channel, this time I actually do have videos on it. We got cheat sheet entry right here, red vector candles coming into the 50 EMA with thick green money flow, hidden bullish divergences on the green dots that are below the zero line. It is what it is, guys. Okay, so look, where are we finding resistance? Well, as I just mentioned, we're finding resistance at the 786. You guys know I like to take the smarter money approach to it, meaning this initially was the target, okay? This was actually the target. I think we front ran it. Let me zoom in here. Sorry for getting my face so close to your face, I guess, in the camera. Yeah, I guess we front ran it by like 30, $50, $40, something like that. And this was actually the final target. Okay, this was the final target because we have a nice order block here, and you guys know I like to trade the smart money approaches to it. So if we're gonna get any real movement to the downside, I would want to see structure flip in our favor. Okay, and right now there is no sign of structure really flipping in our favor because we bounce off of this order block down here on the 15-minute time frame, and we're actually getting support also on the 50 EMA. So I think that we can continue a little bit higher. Mind you, I'm not in office. I'm back in the studio tomorrow. I fly back to Toronto. So, I'll have like my really sniper analysis analysis as of tomorrow, and the live streams will return as well. But for now, I think in this area, if we can hold it, we can definitely come back up to test the all-time highs. And given, I mean, guys, look at this. Look at how market cipher beat, like the money flow on the daily time frame is curving so far up that, you know, I wish I put more money down when I said down here I'm going to be looking for swing longs. Like I called it, and then I mean, this thing can really skyrocket. And you already know how I work. If we end up taking the all-time high, we're going to just play the range for whatever the range is and then, take trades in the range as opposed to trying to give you a random number that makes no sense. Oh, 81,400 like doesn't make any sense, right? So we're going to just play the range if we do break out of there. And I'll be watching this area right here. If we start to develop a range from here and we hold this level, I will look to potentially enter into scalp longs and scalp shorts as we do on this channel here. But if we dump a little bit, fine. I mean, I'm not too concerned about it. We got a couple order blocks to the downside that we can come to. So let's do the same thing that we did on Thursday and give you guys a couple of trade setups potentially that might happen by the time I get back tomorrow. We got the golden pocket coming in, perfect confluence with the 50 EMA down at around 66K. I have a feeling we're not headed down there, but obviously anything is possible. And for now, I think the number one place to be looking for longs really is, let's just say, somewhere around this area right here. We got a nice order block, 8-hour order block, 6-hour order block, 4-hour order block, you name it. So around 66.5 to maybe 67.8, give or take, if we manage to get down there. Again, I don't know if we will. If we do, I would want to see structure develop up here a little bit further before coming down. So I would want to consolidate here. Maybe seeing a 5-minute market structure flip would be sufficient enough for myself. And then again, a 5-minute structure change coming out of this area. But I mean, really, for now, as it currently stands, this is probably the place that I'll be looking for. I don't think we're going to come back down to 65. I think it's upwards and onwards, my friends. Anyways, listen, I'm sure you could hear it in my voice. I lost my voice a little bit. I had an amazing weekend. We're back this week. I'm in my hotel room. Don't ask about this, okay? I'm in the hotel room, but I wanted to give you guys this quick update. I will see you in the live streams either tomorrow or Wednesday, but I will see you for sure this week. And I'm excited to get back. I had a good trip. I had a lot of fun, but it's time to make that bag. And real quick, big shout out to everybody in the VIP Discord. I've been updating you guys not too often over the weekend, but I updated you enough for what I was seeing, and I gave maybe 4 or 5 updates, but they were all the exact same thing. And I'll put them on the screen right now. Every single update was, guys, nothing has changed. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. So the trade played out perfectly, and I'll post all the P&Ls and whatever. The trade played out perfectly, and it just took a little bit of time, and I'm glad that I wasn't around flopping and groping while I was out and doing other things, so that I didn't actually miss out on the position. And because I like it to scalp, I don't really do the swing stuff. But hey, that's the name of the game. Guys, I'll catch you back in Toronto. Have a good day, everybody. Trade safe, stay disciplined, and that, my friends, is curtains.